Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to use Monday.com for product documentation. So, let's get started. First up, you'll need to create a new board. This is where you'll organize all your product documentation. Think of it as a digital bulletin board where you can pin every piece of information related to your product. Now that we've done that, it's time to define your groups. Groups are essentially categories under which you'll list your tasks, or in this case, product documentation. This helps us because it keeps the board organized and makes it easier to find what we're looking for. Next up, we'll add items to our groups. Items are the individual pieces of product documentation. You can add a title, description, and even attach files to each item. The reason we do this is to keep all relevant information in one place. Whether it's a product spec sheet or user manual, you'll have it right there on your board. Now, let's add some columns. Columns in Monday.com allow you to add additional information about your items. You can add a status column to track the progress of each documentation, a date column to keep track of deadlines, or a text column to add notes. This is crucial because it provides a snapshot of where each document is in the creation or update process and what needs to be done next. And finally, we'll set up automations. Automations in Monday.com help you automate routine tasks. For instance, you can set an automation to notify you whenever a document status changes or a deadline approaches. Here's why this matters. Automations save you time and ensure nothing falls through the cracks. So that's the gist of it. Remember, the key to effective product documentation on Monday.com is organization. Group your tasks, add detailed items, utilize columns to provide more info, and set up automations to keep everything running smoothly. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video.